So today we're looking at Poulan chainsaw. You can see that the chain has come off of it. We're going to do the bar nuts and try to loosen those up so we can see if that'll make it easier to do. Okay, see? That pushes in. And then all we have to do is run this on here and get it in. Got it? Does it look good? Okay. So basically all we're doing is making sure that we get the little pieces into the groove on the blade. And then we want to make sure on the bottom side that in here we've got the chain going into the grooves as well. So then once we're done with that, we want to pull the blade out a little bit so that we can have some tension on it so it doesn't go back out. And then we want to tighten these up. And that's a little bit loose. All right, so what we're gonna do is we still have a little bit too much slack in here. So we're gonna loosen up the bar nuts. And you can see that when you do that, it gets you, this whole piece moves. See that? So what we wanna do is we wanna pull that out and get some tension on here. What I'm going to do is pull this out a little bit and try to get some tension going. And then while that's tensioned, I'm going to tighten it down, and of course need to adjust that so I can tighten it. And do that again, this one. Alright, so if you're doing this by yourself, if you have a vise, that's a good thing. You can put part of it in there. And that right there is a lot tighter. So we will see how that works. And hopefully we will be good. So plugging it in, and we'll see if it blows up. And the answer is, what are we doing?
Nice.
Okay, so it looks like it's working. It's holding on, so we'll try it out on some stuff to cut.
Oh yeah.
What are we cutting?
Okay.
We were getting ready to use it, looked in here, looks like it's low on oil. It hasn't been used in quite a while, so we'll add some oil in here. And I am not using a funnel, so trying to not make a mess.
Dripping? It's got a hole in there.
I got a little bit of drip on there. Alright. Got a hole in it?
I think it might have a hole in the corner there.
Okay. Started to stick the wrong cap on. Alright. So, let's go ahead and put this on here. And then we'll plug it in and test it out on an actual tree.
That's the... What you doing?
Yep, so we're gonna plug it in, try it out on a tree, and try not to drop it on our heads. All right, you ready? All right, so You want me to just go straight here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just go here and drop it on. Okay, so it's cutting. It looks like we could sharpen the blade, but I think that's another video down the road. Alright, so there we go, it works. Now we just need to clean it up and make it look a little better.